Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add to watchlist in TradingView. Now I don't know if you're looking like how you can add to your watchlist the stock or something else, so let me down below in the comment. So what you can do and how you can do it. The first way what you can do is just like press, let me show you, Alt plus W is the first way, like a shortcut, or just come here. So let's say I'm going to have, I don't know, let's say Tesla or Tessie, and what I can do is click right click, add to watchlist test, and voila, here we have for crypto, and here we go. So now I have it. So if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, this is how you can add to watchlist in TradingView. So goodbye.